Create likes, playlist and subscriptions public for good look YouTube homepage. Simple login YouTube channel or follow this step. Click on Sign In option. Login with username and password. Click right side of profile icon and click on My Channel icon. This is your YouTube homepage by default created. You can check this also before login or login after private windows. Every browser have private to be in right side icon like this. Insert your channel URL in private windows. Check your YouTube homepage. This page is not good for your channel visitor. See your login page windows. Customize channel button, click on this. See setting icon like this. Click on this. By default your channel settings all private. This option should be public for more visitor attracting. Like this. See this option. Then save, it will be save. You can check this also in private windows. This work or not? This is working and show your channel like better. And also check your playlist and subscriptions public. Also check your channel setting. Go to your login windows. See setting icon like this. Click on this. Click on account settings. Check all liked videos, saved playlists, subscriptions unmark like this. And save this. You can check this also in private windows. This work or not? This is working and show your channel like better. And also check your playlist and subscriptions public. Please like, share, and subscribe to get exclusive video. Thanks for watch.